So in this video we'll look at how to set up a very basic parallel motion drawing board which will enable you to produce all the hand drawings that you need to make in the First JS Studio. To assemble the parallel motion kit, you'll need a 1 meter length of aluminium section with 2 brass runners on the bottom left hand side and 2 brass runners on the right hand side and a length of nylon twine. The first thing to do then is to attach one end of the nylon twine to a hook which is screwed into the bottom left hand side of the table. Tie a knot and then take the nylon line around the bottom left brass runner. So take the length of nylon next around the top right runner on the aluminium blade. So continue taking up the nylon line from the top right runner up to the top right hook in the table, through the top right hook and across to the top left hook. Take the line around the top left runner and then over and round the bottom right runner, and then finally through the bottom right hook. So to finish the installation of this kit, we need to get some tension on the nylon line, so pull quite hard on the bottom right length and finally tie that off in a knot around the bottom right hand hook. That's fine. So it's perfectly okay to have some movement left and right, but what you want to try and do is get enough tension on the nylon line so that the aluminium blade doesn't slip up and down. So just to recap on the installation, we started at the bottom left hand side, tied a knot in the nylon line, went up around the bottom left runner, across to the top right runner, then up to the top of the table, through that hook, along to the top left hook, back down to the top left runner, round that, and then we crossed the nylon line over, round the bottom right runner and tied that off at the final hook. And this should give you quite a stable parallel motion. It's okay if we've got movement left and right, that's not a problem. but it should be fairly stable top to bottom.